Think you need coding to master AI in 2026? Zero computer science required.
Welcome to your Clinical AI Masterclass. In 2026, English is the hottest programming language.
Your medical expertise writes the prompts. Clinical intuition beats Python syntax every time. Engineers build models, but doctors provide clinical judgment.
Context is everything in healthcare. You are the essential human in the loop. Step 1. Ambient AI Scribes eliminate documentation burnout.
Conversations convert into structured SOAP notes. 2 hours of chart paperwork saved daily.
Build your own specialty AI using RAG.
Feed it clinical guidelines and research papers. Accurate, cited answers tailored to your department. Multi-Modal AI analyzes X-rays, ECGs, and pathology in seconds. Instant second opinions at bedside.
Like having a radiologist on speed dial.
No-code AutoML platforms let you drag and drop. Connect data blocks to build predictors.
Zero Python syntax required to train algorithms. Worried about patient privacy? Use synthetic data.
Generates realistic patient cohorts with zero risk. Test models safely without touching confidential records. Reading 500 research papers manually? Never again. AI agents synthesize clinical trials in seconds.
Weeks of meta-analysis done before your morning coffee. Golden rule of medical AI: trust, but always verify.
Check citations and drug dosages rigorously. AI assists the doctor. It never replaces accountability. Build custom risk calculators for sepsis and readmissions.
Predict clinical deterioration hours in advance. Saving lives with proactive alerts. Always audit your AI for algorithmic bias. Train on diverse demographic cohorts.
Ensuring equal diagnostic precision for every patient. Run local LLMs directly inside your hospital network. Zero patient data leaves your clinic walls.
Complete HIPAA compliance made simple.
The hottest hospital executive role? Chief Medical AI Officer, bridging frontline clinics and AI engineers.
Your clinical experience is your superpower. You don't need to code, you need to communicate.
Guide tech teams on clinical edge cases. Doctors design the ultimate user experience. Software as a medical device sounds complex, but it's structured.
Your clinical trials drive real-world compliance.
Weeks 3 and 4. Assemble your first specialty prototype. Deploy a custom no-code clinical triage assistant.
You've officially joined the Medical AI Vanguard. Your 30-day Jumpstart. Start with daily administrative tasks. Draft referral letters and patient discharge summaries.
Master prompt craft in 15 minutes a day. AI won't replace doctors. AI will replace doctors who don't. Doctors using AI will don't.
Start your journey today. Subscribe for more masterclasses.